If you're really bad at defending and you just want some tips on how you can actually defend more accurately to actually stop throwing away so many games, watch this video. I'm going to be giving you the master secrets, guys. I am Feeder Master Raheem Glaves. Stay tuned and let's get right into this video. Alright, time for the master secrets, guys. How can you actually defend in chess properly? So you need to master counter-attacking. That's one. Activity counter-attacking, guys. Like, you need to master those things 100%. Now, I don't like when my opponents are controlling my moves. They're like, Raheem, do this. And I have to be like, yes, sir. I'm going to move this. You want to be the person dictating the pace of the game. So, for defending, I always tell you guys to watch out for your unprotected pieces. And remember, practice counter-attacking. So, what is a counter-attack? It's when you attack a piece of the same value or greater that is basically under attack right now. So whenever you scan the board, remember, always look for your unprotected pieces. We're seeing here that black has a knight, rook, and another one on a8 that is unprotected. The only one that is getting attacked right now is this knight on d4. Now, don't just practice that, oh, my knight is under attack. I need to defend this piece, and you play knight to c6. That's not the mindset, guys, because what we need to counterattack. So our knight is worth 3. We need to attack a piece of, again, the same value or greater. I am seeing that I can attack the knight with knight b5. That just blunders it. I'm seeing that I can attack this rook with knight to f5. And this is how we create, again, a counterattack. Now, a lot of persons would have just been like, all right, I'm going to take his bishop. He's going to take my knight. And we trade pieces. Good luck for everybody. That's how I want you guys to practice. If you see a good move in chess, look for better. And remember, work on your counter attack. So if you found knight to f5 and then rook takes h5, well done. You're on the right path to defending properly. Let's get into the next one. Now let's see who is paying attention. I'm going to be giving you this position to play for black. How would you defend here? I'm going to be giving you again just some key tips to ensure that you're utilizing the right techniques. We don't practice automatic moves in chess. We don't practice puppet chess either. We look for counterattacks and we always scan the board for unprotected pieces. Anything that is under attack. And yeah, let's go. So counterattacking, and again, like, you need to see how you can attack your opponent. I'm going to be giving the answer now. So right now, black's bishop is under attack. Also, the bishop on d5 is undefended. Don't just practice automatic moves. If you found this move, because again, our bishop is under attack, if you found this move, knight takes queen, then well done. Because after pawn takes e7, I know what you guys calculated. We simply capture back on e7 and hang the game, right? Perfect, perfect, perfect. You have not fully, been following this video, but you have gotten some key concepts. Remember, we don't practice automatic moves. If your brain is worried like, oh my god, my queen is under attack, let me do something. That's puppet chess. We need counter-attacking. I'm like, all right, my queen is under attack. I need to attack a piece of the same value or greater. Unfortunately, white doesn't have a queen, but this king has the chance to get a counter-attack right now. So we could look for moves like knight to c2 or knight takes f3. By me looking for a counter-attack, these moves become possible. All right? Or basically obvious. Takes and then we take. Right now, white only has 2 pieces for the queen. In the other variation, where if you simply just recapture here and white recaptures, he will have 3 pieces for that queen. So ensure that you're not playing automatic moves, using the right defensive techniques, and we're going to be going into another example. Let's go. Time for your final test. White just played this move, pawn to c4. What would you play? It's all you guys. It's all you. What would you play in this scenario for black? If you are playing puppet chess and your opponent just said, move your queen, and you're like, yes, sir. And you just move the queen. But counter attack, practice activity, look for what's hanging. If you spot that your queen is hanging, don't do that, by the way. If you spot that your queen is hanging, very good. Very, very good. You now have to look to see if you could counter attack. So right now, I'm like, he's attacking my queen. Can I attack his queen? How? Oh, so either I can basically attack his queen or attack his king. So let's example, my queen is under attack. Can I give him a check and attack his king? That's one. My queen is under attack. Can I take his knight and attack his queen? That's a counter attack. This is how we spot more defensive moves. So offense is the best defense, guys. We only resort to going backwards and like fully defending if our counter attacks don't work or offensive moves. Not this. Let's go. So queen takes, bishop takes f3, and that's it. That's game, guys. If pawn takes d5, then bishop takes, what's this, d1, king takes, and just like that, black has won a piece for just moving the pieces, guys. That's it. These moves become possible if you look at chess differently. If we take, and let's say that we just simply have a recapture, and simply queen takes queen, and that's it, guys. Nothing else to be said. That's a piece. And for anybody wondering what happens after bishop takes knight and queen to a4, we're going to simply bring our queen back to c6, offering a queen trade so he can't take our bishop, and simply after takes, we can play knight takes or bishop takes c6. Both are fine, and black is up a whole piece. And finally, if queen takes queen, we simply take the queen and take the bishop. If you got this 100%, you are again on the right path. Just continue what you're doing. Get the right defensive principles in mind. And thanks again for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you again another time.